This morning we got up, we knew that Tina and Carol would be paddling over to Fork Lake. We decided we would paddle out and meet them. Off we go. We're gonna see if we can catch up to them. They've got a really good head start on us.
So we paddled all the way over there, and again, we hit shallow water.
They were having trouble getting through. We couldn't get through, and this is without gear in the canoe. So they went on, they did get to their site. Tim and I turned back and came back to our site. I was about to just do a little video to show you how windy it is and how it's blowing my tarp and my fly around like crazy. And the wind stops. Now it's all floppy. I'm sure it's gonna start again any second. Oh, here we go. Yep. It's been really, really windy. Insanely windy. Dead calm last night, but insanely windy all day today. For the most part, we haven't done much today. We did go gather some wood. We're gonna have a nice campfire tonight. It's supposed to clear up. So most of the afternoon was spent lounging around and then just gathering some wood for the campfire.
Did some puzzles, sat out, the sun came out, it was beautiful. I found a space out of the wind. It was magnificent.
Just out for a nice little paddle. The sun's gonna set in maybe about an hour. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. Wind has actually calmed down, so that's nice. Glad I got to get out on the lake, just paddling around. It's so nice and peaceful paddling on your own. It's morning, the sun's just about to come up, not up yet, and it is misty out there. I'm not getting out of my tent to get some shots, so I'll film it from in here. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice day. Oh, it's a beautiful morning, sunny. The wind is coming up again. Seems like we're gonna have all windy days, but Tina and Carol are just paddling out. They're way over there in the distance. You probably can't see them, but they're heading out. They're gonna let us know how hard it was going back up Sunday Creek. I don't think we're gonna have an easy time tomorrow. It's gonna be really, really tough. But I hope they enjoyed themselves. We didn't get to see them that much because they were on a different campsite, but yeah. Couch. I'm out for a paddle on the lee side of the campsite where there's no wind. As soon as I get out a little bit, there'll be a lot more wind. Well, I'm at the beginning of Sunday Creek. I can't tell if it's any better than it was. I figured I'd just come over and check it out. And then I'll head back. I'm just taking a little break lying in my tent. I was in my hammock. The wind is just so insane that it made the hammock vibrate and flop around and make noise. So I'm in the tent where I'm dealing with the fly sheet flapping around. Also, my tarp is going crazy. I almost lost another grommet. I had to remove one rope from it. I checked the weather. The hourly forecast says winds like 19 kilometers an hour with gusts to 25. That is no way accurate. These gusts have to be like 40 or 50 kilometers an hour. It's just insane out here right now. I'd like to take my tarp down, but there's no way to do it in the wind. So as soon as it dies a little, I think I'm taking it down. And yeah, so just hanging out in here for a bit just to keep an eye on the tarp.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, you even stand.
It's cold. It's cold. So Tina and Carol paddled out today. They let us know when they were leaving so we could see how long it took them. It only took them about 2.5 to 3 hours to get back up Sunday Creek. I mean, that's still a long time. Tina did get in touch to let me know that it's actually worse now than it was coming down. There's less water and that we're gonna have a real hard time getting out. She also stopped at the gate to let them know that the water was that low. And we just wondered why they didn't warn anybody when we were going in. Apparently, since they've been told by Tina how low the water was, they have closed off these campsites, so they're not booking them right now. But we still have to get back up there. They did say in an emergency we could call for a park ranger, but there's nothing they can really do. So we're just gonna have to get up as best we can tomorrow. There are some people camped at the other camp on Norway Lake, and I went over and talked to them, and we're gonna actually all paddle out about the same time so that if we need to, we can help each other get up the creek. It's just that one damn beaver dam that's blocking all the water from coming down. The sun is just coming up on our last morning here. I'm gonna lie in bed a little longer, then get up and pack up and start our crazy journey back. We're gonna have to fight our way up that creek. So stay tuned for that. we're about to head out. What are we doing?
Oh, beautiful day. Just a nice, calm, nice lake. It's a beautiful time to have a nice paddle down a lazy river.
Yeah, that's gonna be the hellish part. We're not even sure what we're doing once we get there. We just gotta try and get out.
One beaver dam gumming up the works.
Yeah, and low water. It's low water period, but yeah.
Stopped again.
Stuck on another log. Tim's getting out. I'm out. I'm sitting here in the water. We are back to getting out and using ropes to pull it. I think there's one more bend and then we're at the beaver dam, and after that it should be great. We're back in the canoe, finally. Oh my God, that was way farther than I thought it was gonna be. Past the beaver dam, we're at it right now. Smooth sailing from here. Oh my God, we are back. Holy cow, that was 3 hours. Not as bad as going, but still worse than it should be. Wow. Now we just gotta lug all our stuff to the car. And then we're done. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy these videos. And if you do, please, please subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when more videos are up, and look forward to having you on our channel.